Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video it is going to be an interesting video because I'm going to be sharing with you my top 7 favorite applications for Android TV box or Google TV in 2026. So these are my favorite applications, and these are applications that cut across the categories of live sports, movies, tools, and so on. So please make sure to watch the video right up to the end, and of course you are going to find it helpful. So please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe if you find it educative or helpful. So this is going to be a video applications that are compatible with any Android device, and that's why I say these are my top or favorite 7 applications for Android TV for the year 2026. And if you have an Android TV, then I'll recommend you these 7 applications that I'm about to share with you. Alright, so for the video I'm using my Android TV box, and as I always say, if you want to check it out, it's in the comment section. So I'm using my video to show you these applications, and of course I have lots of applications on this Android TV box, but as I said, I just want to show you my 7. Also, I'm also going to show you how to get all of these 7 applications to your own Android TV box. And as I said, these applications I have my favorite application for movie, for live sport, for tools, for app stores, and so on. Anyway, so I have gathered all of my applications in one category. My Android TV box has the feature of adding applications to a particular area. So I've added all my applications over here, and as you can see on my screen, these are all of my favorite applications so far. I could show them one at a time, but I just want to show you all, and also then go ahead to show you how to install all of these applications to your Android TV. Alright, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I just added my browser, but any browser is going to work in this case, but Google browser is my favorite on my Android TV. Alright, so I'm just going to explain a few of them here, and also so you should know what they all do. So for instance, downloader, we all know what downloader is. If you've been watching my YouTube channels or you've been watching my videos, you will realize I use downloader literally almost all the time. So downloader is one of my favorite applications, and downloader is a browser that you can use on Android TV, Fire Stick, or any other TV box. And to use downloader, all you've got to do is to go over here and type in a code, and then that code is going to bring you to a page or an APK or whatever is linked to that code. So that's what downloader does on Android TV. So the next one, local send. Local send is the application that I use to send files from my Android or my mobile phone to my Android TV. So I use local send, and it is very fast. For me, this is the best transfer application, or application to transfer application to transfer files from mobile phones to Android TV. I use local send, and if you want a video on how to use local send, just check it out on my YouTube channel. Now the next on my list is the APK Time application. So APK Time is an alternate app store for applications on Android TV, especially applications that you are not going to see on your Google Play Store. So I use APK Time a lot to install most of my applications. As a matter of fact, some of my favorite applications, you're going to find it here on APK Time. If you go over to APK Time and looking for application, let's say tools, you're going to see lots of applications here that you can download and install to your Android TV. So that's what I love about APK Time. And another app store that I love a lot is the Unlink application. And the Unlink application allows you to add libraries to the application, libraries of apps that are compiled by creators. So you can go over to Unlink over here, and you're going to add a library. As a matter of fact, I have a YouTube video that talks about 7 Unlink libraries that you should know. You might want to check out that video. You're looking for libraries. With all these 7 libraries, I bet you there is no application, there's no Android TV application that you're going to search that you wouldn't see on your Android TV. Now the next we'll have this application, and this application. If you're a sport lover, if you love sports, then this is going to be very, very good. Just check it out. And if you love movies, then these two are going to be very good for you. If you love movies, as a matter of fact, this is for apps, this is my browser, this is my tool to send files from Android TV to my mobile phone. This is for sports, this is for movies, and so on. Now what I use this for is to install other applications. So for instance, if I want to install local send or downloader or bear player, I use my browser to install any of those three. So you can come back to your browser, install. If you want to install downloader, it is simple. Just go back to your search box and type in the downloader application. Let me just quickly show you how to install downloader using your browser. This will work on any browser as long as it is an Android TV. So as you can see here, look, there's a downloader application over here without you having to do anything. So you can install the download application over here. That's the first application that you can use your browser to install. The next application that you can also use your browser to install is the Bear Player. You can go over here and use your Bear, and let me just go back. You can come back here and use your browser to install Bear Player or a Bear Player. Oh my god, what am I doing? No, not that. You can use your browser to install Bear Player to your Android TV without any problem. So just go ahead to your browser. As I say, any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. So just go ahead and type in Bear Player, and you're going to see the option to install it over here. So here's it. You're going to see the option to install the application to your Android TV. Here's it over here, and that's Bear Player. All right, so the applications that you won't be able to install with the Android Google Play Store. So I think, let's say for instance, this one, and this one, you won't be able to install with the Google Play Store. Let me show you how to install it. I've created a room on FireSend to install it. So here's FireSend here. If you don't know how to install FireSend, go over to your browser, type in search, and type in FireSend app. So FireSend. So type in FireSend over here. It's a new application. It just got released a couple of weeks ago. So FireSend here, over here. So once you type in this, just go ahead and install it to your Android TV, and then I can just update it from here. Once it's done, you can open it. I want to show you how to install all the other applications that you won't be able to install with your browser. So I've created a room and added these applications there. So to go to the room, you need to use FireSend. So open FireSend after you install it, and it's going to look something like this on your Android TV. Sorry, this video is a little bit long. I wanted it to just be 8 minutes, but it looks like it's going to be 9 minutes or more. So please just bear with me. So install FireSend and come over here. Just give it a moment for it to tally open. So FireSend is just a new application. As a matter of fact, I created a video about FireSend explaining how it works just a couple of days ago. So you might want to check that out if you don't know how to use the application perfectly. So just give me a moment and open the application. So as you open it, this is how it should look like. Okay, here's it. You can continue to dashboards, and then you click on rooms and join room, and then type in this code. You type in this code 89269. Please type in this 5-digit code and click join room, and then you are going to see the remaining applications that you are not able to use. So here are the 4 other applications. We have this, and this. So you can then install these to your Android TV using the FireSend, any of these. So altogether, I've shown you my 7 top applications for Android TV in 2026. So if you find the video helpful, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share more videos like this.